Hello, my name is Mike from The Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking through a quick video tour of our Ford Mondeo Titanium X. So this is our 2012 Ford Mondeo Titanium X. It's covered just over 123,000 miles from new, but it's only had two former keepers, with the last owning it since 2017. Has got very, very good service history, regularly serviced, with the cambelt being changed at 100,000 miles. And whilst in our care, we've replaced both front tyres, changed the clutch and flywheel, given it a fresh MOT with no advisories and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, the car's in exceptional condition for the age and mileage. A couple of minor little marks here and there, but it really doesn't look like it's done this sort of mileage. It's clearly been very, very well looked after. Inside, it's very well spec'd. You've got the heated and cooled leather seats, AM/FM radio, sat-nav, cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, power fold mirrors. And you can just see it's in really, really good condition. Definitely been looked after. It's the 1.6 diesel with a 6-speed manual gearbox. Low road tax of only £35 a year. It's the same story in the back, just very, very well looked after. And you've also got a nice big practical boot with the original Ford boot liner. Very, very practical car. It's in really, really good condition. I know I've said it before, but this is in exceptional condition for the age and mileage. Really doesn't look like it's covered 123,000 miles. Really good history, low owners, low road tax, new clutch and flywheel, two new front tyres. It's ready to go to its new owner. A very, very well looked after car. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.